Hey, good morning, you guys. It is January 5th, I believe. What's today? Yeah, January 5th, Tuesday. And I am a little bit upset, but it's okay. I'm not gonna let it get to me. And yes, I'm eating a slice of bacon. And I'll tell you what. This is going to be a different style video. I was filming for the last 4 days, like my weight loss journey, like getting back on track. And I was recording on my camera from my phone. When I tried to put it on my laptop and then put it into iMovie, you guys know I edit all my videos on iMovie. For some reason it was like very choppy. Like the sound was perfect, but the video was like, I don't know why. So I just wanted to come on here, and I'm gonna post this video today on Tuesday the 5th, even though these type of videos will be posted every Mondays. But let me get into further details of what I'm talking about. So I wanted to do my weight loss journey kind of videos again. I posted them 2 years ago. I think I did 2 of them. I can't remember, but I know for sure one of them was very, very popular. To this day, that's like one of my #1 videos that you guys watch. And I was like, you know what, let me get back on track. You know, 2020 was not the year. I started working out again, but then I kind of stopped, and that's just my fault. You know, part of it, I was a little depressed. So, you know, 2020 was not the year. So I feel like 2021, I'm hopeful. I don't want to say it's the year, but I'm hopeful. And I want to get back on track to like lose the weight. I'm going to be open and honest with you guys during my journey. So every Mondays, because I guess it's like motivational Mondays or whatever, I don't know, I'm gonna be posting my like weigh-ins. So every time I check in, and not weigh-ins, but like check-ins of how my week was going, if I, you know, what I ate, what I didn't do, or what I did do, if I worked out, did I walk. I just want to check in with you guys, and if you like these type of videos, please let me know. Thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and then turn on your notification button so you know when I post it. I'm gonna try to post it like kind of in the like afternoon, maybe the nighttime. This way you guys know. Or actually, let's do it like this. My weigh-in, I will do my videos. I will post it on Monday, but it will technically be Sunday night's check-in. So we'll do it like that, yeah. I'm like thinking out loud. This is just gonna be a new series on my channel. Now, I want to do this because last time I didn't really do like a check-in, and it kind of didn't go as planned in my head. I was like, oh yeah, I could just check in like every month or so, but I feel like checking in every week is I'm gonna take accountability for what I'm doing. And honestly, these last 4 days I've been doing so well. I went to the gym, I've been walking, I've been drinking nothing but water, and I'm like a soda fiend. Like, I love ginger ale and Coke, but I've been drinking nothing but water. I haven't even drunken coffee. Like, I really want to take coffee. Like, I read that it's okay to drink, you know, coffee and stuff. It's just I add so much creamer, so I'm gonna try to cut down on the creamer. But I still want to have a coffee like, you know, 2 to 3 times a week. Just because I do enjoy that, and I don't want to cut myself like cold turkey. That's why I'm eating the bacon. So like for breakfast this morning, I'm actually having 2 slices of bacon. And I know turkey bacon is better, but I really like bacon. But I had 2 slices, which is 90 calories, which is not bad, but not good. And then I had the Greek Light and Fit Greek yogurt. It's the toasted coconut and vanilla. And then I added my granola. I get this from Target. 1/3 cup is 120 calories, but I don't use that much. I use 2 tablespoons and that's it. Like, I don't need a whole bunch of them. Like, if I was eating it like by itself or with cereal, but in this small little thing, I don't need 1/3 cup. Like, that's just kind of crazy. So yeah, I'm having this for breakfast. It's currently, what time is it? It's late in the morning. It's 11:35 and I'm just now eating. It's just I woke up. What did I do? I feel like I did nothing, to be honest. I woke up, I was playing around with my son for a little bit. Oh, and we ran to Target to pick up a couple things, and it took longer than expected. But then I came here, I made him breakfast, and then I just made the 2 slices with him, and then I'm just now eating. But I wanted to film this real quick. But my first 4 days, so January 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday went so perfectly. I went to the gym, I walked, I went out to the football field that's close to me, and I walked the tracks. I had such good footage. I'll try to put it in if I could, if it's good enough, but honestly, like when I was watching it, it was just not that great. Okay, let's go. You gonna stay here? Yeah. Hold this. This is for here.
I'm gonna leave these kids over here while y'all go walking.
All right, we gonna go walk. Jog? I ain't jogging.
Come over here.
Just finished walking. Yeah. What's wrong?
I want to go home.
Did my little walk for today. Probably will walk a little bit more later. I'm over here sweating, literally, and I just walked. That's how I know I gained so much weight. I used to never sweat while walking. I wanted to show you guys my little snack that I'm gonna eat. It's about like 4 o'clock-ish, almost 5, not really, about like 5:30. I'm gonna have a little snack, and I just did this. This is some Greek yogurt with some granolas and some strawberries. I'll leave everything what I put in, and then I create a like little meal on my Fitness Pal, so it tracks how much calories and everything that I have in this. So yeah, I love using that app because I know like how much I'm supposed to be eating, like my grams, my macros. It really helps. So I'm gonna have this for a little snack. Overall, like I feel really good. Like I don't feel tired. I've been going to sleep pretty early-ish than I normally do. I'm the type of person that I will go to sleep at like 12 o'clock, and I'll be like waking up early, and then I can never get nothing to sleep. I'll be on my phone, so I'm trying to not be on my phone either. If you want to do this journey together, let me know and I'll follow you and look at your journey. We can make weekly check-in videos. Yeah, I just want to do something different and like if I really could stay motivated and stay on track to losing weight. So like I said, I'm gonna be open with you guys. So I'm currently 215. I know that's crazy. I'm 215 pounds. I'm 5'2", so that's technically obese for my height. And what else? Right now I wear like an extra, not a 2X, extra large, and tops and stuff. My pants is a size like 14, 15, depending on like what jeans they are. So 14, 15. My goal overall is to get down to at least like 145, but my goal will be 135. But I feel like I haven't been 135 since like I met Steven when I was 20 years old. And low-key, I don't want to be that thin because I feel like that's like little girl thin. I want to be like grown woman thick, you know? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. I know this video might be really quick, but I'm going to try and check in. So starting today, which is Tuesday, I'll do like my weekly check-in from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So Monday will be 5 days check-in, and then we'll get back on track. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. It's gonna be a little bit different, and yeah, I hope to see you guys next week, Monday. Bye guys.